In this video you will see how to manage slaves object dictionary, init and startup commands, assign PDO configuration, manage slaves memory, and enable slaves watchdog. Let's start with slaves object dictionary and init commands management. Set master connection settings. Scan the bus. In offline mode, select a slave and go to the Mailbox tab. Select COE. All data here are kept from the ESI file. If there is no object dictionary in the ESI file, you can use the Settings tab to change object dictionary type, for example on from electronic datasheet file. Then you can select the corresponding file and click OK. Now you can add and manage init commands. Right-click Subindex, select Add Init Commands and set the value of data. Click OK. You may add as many init commands as you need at the same time. The check marks show that init commands were added. Select the Init Command tab and check the changes you've made. Here are the values that were set. Attach master. Set master to pre-operational. Select the slave and go to the Mailbox tab. Select COE, click the Update Values button. Go to the Init Commands tab and check the previously added command. Switch master to safe operational. Select the slave and go to the Mailbox tab. Update values. Go to the Init Commands tab. Here is an error. It means that the set value is out of the range, and the correct value must be set. Detach master and set correct value. Attach master, switch it to the safe operational state. Go to the Mailbox tab and update the value. Go to the Init Commands tab and check your changes. Detach master. To remove init command, go to the Mailbox tab, right-click Subindex with init command, select Remove Init Command. Now we go to assignment of PDO configuration to a slave. Select slave. Go to the FMMU/SM tab. Check slave configuration. Change PDO assignment. All changes are seen in the configuration tree. Go to the PDO tab. Select the signal. Click Add to add PDO entry. Set data. Expand the signal in the configuration tree. Here is seen the added PDO. Return to FMMU/SM and check the changes. To remove PDO, go to the FMMU/SM tab, select PDO. In the PDO content area, select PDO and click the Remove button. Check the changes in the configuration tree. Assign PDO. Go to FMMU/SM tab. Select Signal. Select checkbox in the PDO assignment area. This permits to increase or decrease the quantity of the processed data. There are slaves with the fixed configurations. Their configurations can't be changed. Next one, Slave Memory Management. Select a slave. Go to the Memory tab. In the List of Known Registers area, right-click AL Status, select Add as Input Signal. So the same for AL status code. Corresponding variables are seen in the configuration tree. Attach master. Go to the Process Image tab to check the variables. Switch master to the pre-operation state. Go to the Process Image tab and check the variables. AL status code is an error code. Here appears a value of an error if any exists. Select slave. Go to the Memory tab. Select the Show Known Registers Only checkbox to hide all unimportant registers. The registers filter can be set here. Change the value in the Start field and click the Reload button. Check the changes. Detach master. To remove mapped PI, go to the Memory tab, right-click Signal and select Remove All. And the last for this video, enable Slaves Watchdog. To enable Watchdog on the Master tab, click Watchdog and set Enable to Yes. Select a slave and do the same to the slave. Change values of multiplier, PDI Watchdog, and SM Watchdog. The values of PDI and SM in the Watchdog line also changes. Go to the FMMU/SM tab, double-click the slave and set Watchdog trigger. This is one more way to enable Watchdog. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us on our website.